What we actually need is a smoother approach. We need to learn the art of responding. And trust me, when you learn it, it's going to be a game changer. So what's the difference between reacting and responding? Well, reacting is like being a puppet on someone else's strings. They pull and you dance to their tune. But responding versus reacting is how we can take our control back. When we can learn to do that, it's going to be like, we're the DJ of our own emotions. And we only spin tracks that make us feel strong, confident, and powerful. When we react to their toxicity, we let their negativity seep into our own energy. And we don't want that because it's messy, it's chaotic, and it leaves us feeling drained and exhausted. But when we respond, we're putting up some serious boundaries. What we're saying is like, hey, I'm in charge here and I choose to play the game the way I want to play it. And that could actually mean not playing the game at all. So how do we respond instead of react? Well, it's about knowing ourselves inside and out. It's about understanding our trigger and being masters of our own emotion. It's like being able to decipher our own emotional landscape to separate, what's absolute nonsense and what's the truth. And to do that, what we have to do is armor ourselves against the drama tornadoes that are out there. It's like, wearing a raincoat on a stormy day, except instead of rain, it's all the negativity that's thrown our way. We have to learn to love ourselves enough to see through all the smoke and mirrors, to see a reflection in the mirror and say, no, what you're saying about me doesn't stick. That's not what that person on the other side of that mirror looks like. I think that negativity actually belongs to you, doesn't it? Because it does. It doesn't actually belong to us. It belongs to somebody else. Hope you like this clip. The link to the full video is in the descriptions. Please like and follow.